Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 6th standard. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, a very interesting chapter, that is the 4th chapter. Yes, so what is that? What you are expecting? What is the name of that? Do you have idea about that? Yes, already you have watched, I think you have seen that chapter name, that is the materials of daily use or that clothes. You know that, students. In your day-to-day life, in your daily life, what you are using, what are the materials you are using specially, yes, and also what are the basic needs in our life. While to survive their life, it is very basically three things are required. क्या क्या है? हमको खाना चाहिए, food चाहिए. Already you have studied in the previous classes what are the foods, what are the components of food. Yes. Second things what is that? Shelter चाहिए, रहने का घर चाहिए. Yes, we need that also, house, shelter. And also clothes we need. Okay, that is the main important things is that food, clothes and shelter. Yes, for a living organisms it is the three basic needs are there. So already we have studied that basic needs, that is like food already we have discussed, and house already we have studied that. We know that house we have to stay anywhere, but clothes is very important for us. Yes, what it helps us. Do you know that clothes? Yes. Which one we are covering to our body? Materials or substances or fabrics. Which one we are using? We are covering to our body. It is protect us from climate, like condition like temperature, and also from the rain, from the cold, from the sunlight. Yes, and some insect also. Whenever we are, suppose rainy season is there, you are rainy there, you are wearing the raincoats and you are going to go outside. If in winter season you are woolen clothes you are wearing and you are getting hot and warm you are getting. In the summer season we are using that cotton cloths and we are getting more comfort. So in the different season, different temperature, different climates, we are changing different types of clothes. Yes, yeah, it is protect us. Okay, it is protect us from the different seasons, different climates, different temperatures. And also you know that, students, all over the world you will see that different peoples are wearing different types of clothes. Yes, in our India also different states are the changes. Yes, different states people they are wearing the different types of clothes, and especially if you see that in for day also you are wearing, for suppose today what you are dress, your uniform you are wearing, and the other day also on a different uniform, that like Saturday different uniform we are wearing. Yes, our sports uniform wearing. Same like students in Sunday we are specially in home we are civil dress also wearing. So day by day also we are changing the uniform or clothes. Yes, and also that is also one students to another students is different. The materials also whatever the it was made, जो भी material हम wear कर रहे हैं वो भी अलग आ रहा है, मतलब वो भी different है. So how this year things, what are that materials, how we are making that these fabrics, what are that cloth materials, how it is made of, what is that history, we will discuss in this chapter. So let us discuss first of all what about the learning objectives, what are the main things we are going to learn in this chapter. ठीक है, so look at here students, learning objectives क्या है. First of all the chapter name, materials of daily use, that is the clothes specially we are going to learn in this chapter. And in this chapter what are the main points we have to learn that. First things, different types of clothing materials. Already I have told in the different places that peoples are wearing the different types of clothes. Okay. In Odisha, whatever that dress materials or whatever that clothes are there. Maharashtra, little bit change. Kerala, the difference. And it also in your local place also in Maharashtra, in Basmat also, if your people, those suppose somebody using silk clothes, somebody is using cotton, somebody is wearing that as terling. So different materials it is made of. Yes, some members are wearing that jeans, some members are wearing the saris, some members are using the different types of clothes materials or fabrics we are wearing. Development of clothing materials, how that clothes material, whatever the fabrics or fibers, how it is developing. Second, soil and climatic conditions required for the cultivation of plant fibers like cotton jute. Actually, especially what are the natural fibers, cotton jute, how it is developing. You know that cotton plants in your area is more area. Yes. So how it is, what are the climates are required for this, and it will be grow very nicely. Production of clothing, how we can product that this clothing will study. So mainly different types of clothing material, development of clothing materials, soil climate condition required for the cultivation of plant fibers or cotton and jute, production of clothing. Okay, with that, first of today we are going to learn that introduction part. What is the history of this clothing? You know the students, what is that history? Yes, in ancient time, that means very long years ago, 7,000, 8,000, 10,000 years ago, the people, those who are living at that time, they don't know what is that cloth is. They are without dress, they are living in the society. So in that place, after that, they got that, they felt, and that mind, and that after when their intellectual, it was developed, when they felt, that time they comfort their body with that leaves, plants, those are big leaves or the bark of the tree. Yes, you know that banyan, that is what is that banana tree, banana plant, you know that leaves are very big, that big leaves, they are covering their body, and also bark of that tree, that also they are covering their body. Okay, to protect the temperature, to protect the climate condition, they are covering their body by the leaves of the tree, by the bark of the tree. ठीक है, जो प्लांट का जो लीव्स रहता है, बड़ा बड़ा पत्ता रहता है, उसको क्या करते हो, उसको कवर करते हो, उसका बॉडी. ठीक है, वो तो एंशिएंट का टाइम. देन आफ्टर क्या हुआ, that conditions are growth, that gradually the people, they grow, their education, their mind, their intellectual, it was developed. Then they started the agriculture, and they started that communities. They have different peoples, they made that agriculture. Some peoples they have done, that means the community societies they have developed. And after that, they started that twins. They have twins of that leaves or that vines, those are plants are lying on that. Okay, that vines, that those who have no strands, like that means what is that? We can say that climbing plants. We can say that vines, climbing plants. Those are climbing plants. That plants, they have twist, and they made like some vessels, like pots, like with bamboo pots, bamboo trays. Okay, so they have made different types of plates, trays to catch that keep that things for that. Okay, then they have made that, what is that? They have made what is that, cotton types of plants, whenever it was developed in that time, when they have made that fabrics, and then after they started that make the clothes. Okay, but they don't know how to stitch it, how like we are wearing nowadays. Just they made that clothes and they cover their body. So let us discuss about that, how it was developed, and what are the main points, or what are the history of the clothes. Let us see. In ancient times, people used to cover their bodies with the bark, big leaves of tree, or animal skins and paws. You know that tiger animal, that skin is there, or that any camel, or that any of the animals skin they will take out, and that one also they will wash and they will clean, and then after they will cover their bodies at that time in the ancient time. Okay, also big leaves like banana leaves or bark leaves, also big plants, trees having their barks, that also they will take out and they will make that like a clothes. Okay, after the people began to settle down in the different communities, then after long periods they have settled in like a village, like they have together, they have settled down in like the communities, and they also used to twist vines like climbing plants and animal fleece, animal hair, animal skins and hair into long strands. They have made like ropes. Okay, and these long strands were then woven into fabrics. Then after they made fabrics like clothes, like they have made. Okay, fabric is the material made by weaving wool, cotton, silk, etc. Fabric क्या होता? Fabric क्या है? Fabric जैसा ड्रेस मटेरियल. ओके, वो किस में होता? कॉटन से होता, सिल्क से होता, वूल से होता. ठीक है, these are the, suppose I am wearing this shirt, it is made by what is that? Cotton fibers. Yes, cotton fibers से ये फैब्रिक मेड हुआ. फैब्रिक मतलब जो ड्रेस मटेरियल हम पहन रहे हैं. ठीक है, वो फैब्रिक कैसे बना है? फाइबर से बना है. वो फाइबर क्या है? फाइबर एक कॉटन है. कॉटन को ट्विस्ट करने के बाद जो थ्रेड स्ट्रैंड होता उसको हिसाब से वो उसको बनाकर हमें ये ड्रेस मटेरियल बना सकते हैं। ठीक है, मतलब वो ऐसा ऐसा बनाने के बाद उसको क्या करेंगे, उसको फैब्रिक्स बनाते हैं, मतलब इसका ऐसा लगाकर ऐसा बनाकर ऐसा एक क्लॉथ बना देते। क्लॉथ बनाने के बाद ये ड्रेस मटेरियल होता, मतलब ऐसा थ्रेड होता, पहले ट्विस्ट होता, कॉटन से ऐसा रहता हो, उसको ट्विस्ट करके थ्रेड बनाते हैं, स्ट्रैंड बनाते, फैब्रिक जो फाइबर्स हो जाता वो फाइबर से फैब्रिक होता। ओके, मतलब फैब्रिक मतलब जो क्लॉथ मटेरियल से, वो क्लॉथ मटेरियल से ड्रेस हो जाता। ठीक है, सो नाउ फ्रेंड्स, in India cotton was grown in near about the river Ganga. Do you know that Ganga river? So near that the cotton was developed. The cotton plants first nearby Ganga river near it was developed, and during that Harappan periods as early 2500 BC, that means near about 5000 years ago, it was developed nearby in our India, nearby Ganga river. Okay, and flax linden plant, it is a plant gives the fibers which are used in Egypt 7000 years ago. आज से 7000 पहले के वो क्या है, इजिप्ट में जो हुआ था वो लाइलेन जो flax, एक one of the plants which we are using that for the fibers, that one it was developed in that Egypt. Okay, and so students, these are the specially what is that development of the fibers. Then after it was developed that fibers, cotton, jute, they have started, but they made that fabrics like clothes, but they don't know how to stitching, how that make that dress material, how to make dresses. They have no idea. Then after slowly, gradually, it was developed, and today we are reached that on a very modern society, and which one we are wearing different types of dresses, which one is made by the different fibers. Yes, so many types of different types of fibers are there. Okay, so already I have told you different types of dresses are there, different people they are wearing different types of clothes, but this how it is made up, no? These are generally different fibers are there. They are generally, one is natural fiber is there, one is synthetic fiber is there. This it is whatever the fabrics we are wearing, these are coming from the fibers. ये फाइबर क्या होता, फाइब्रिक्स जो होता वो कॉटन से मिलता, सिल्क से मिलता, ठीक है, वूल से मिलता. So these are fibers are generally two types. One is natural fibers, another one is synthetic fiber. There are different types of fibers are there. So one is natural fiber. It is one animal we are getting like a wool and a silk. And also another one is plant fiber. That is cotton, jute, hemp, flax. These are the what is that plants fiber. And another one is synthetic fiber, that is called as rayon. In higher class we study, in 8th standard we study, that is rayon, nylon, polyester, plastics, okay, spandex. These are the synthetic fibers we study in the higher class. But in your chapter, in this classes, we are going to learn what is the natural fibers, and especially the fibers are getting from the plants like cotton, jute, flax, hemp. Okay, so tomorrow, I mean next video, we will learn about that what are the different types of fibers. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.